Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about our fifth class computer lecture. In this, we will start our first chapter, that is evolution of computers. In this, we will discuss about the history of computer. इसमें हमने हिस्ट्री ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स के अंदर पढ़ा था कि किस तरीके से हमारा कंप्यूटर का फाउंडेशन है हुआ। सबसे पहले अबकस, नेक्स्ट नेपियर बोन्स, next Pascaline calculator, next Leibniz calculator. Now, modern age calculating machine are also foundation of computer, that are the difference engine, analytical engine, tabulating machines. So all these and calculating machine we will discuss in our previous lectures. So the today our lecture is Mark 1. What is Mark 1? Mark 1 was the first automatic digital computer used for numerical calculation. Numeric calculation. It was capable to perform 3 calculations in a second. So it is the first automatic digital computer that used numeric calculation and can be capable of performing 3 calculations in a second. It can perform 3 calculation in a seconds. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट ऑटोमेटिक डिजिटल कंप्यूटर है जो 3 कैलकुलेशंस को 1 सेकंड में कर सकता था. सो दिस इज द मार्क फर्स्ट. नाउ हियर इट इज ए फोटो ऑफ द मार्क फर्स्ट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज ENIAC. ENIAC was designed by John Macaulay and J. Prosper Eckert. It was world's first general purpose electronic digital computers. So ENIAC is a computer that will be designed by John Macaulay and J. Prosper Eckert. It is the first general purpose electronic digital computer. ये हमारा पहला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल कंप्यूटर है जो हम जनरल पर्पस के लिए यूज करते थे. सो दिस इज ENIAC कंप्यूटर्स. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज EDVAC, दैट इज EDVAC. EDVAC was invented by J. Prosper Eckert and John Macaulay, which was a programming storing machine unlike the ENIAC. So ENIAC was also invented by J. Prosper Eckert and John Macaulay, but in this programming storage is not possible. In EDVAC प्रोग्रामिंग स्टोरेज इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. सो जो EDVAC कंप्यूटर है उसके अंदर हम प्रोग्रामिंग स्टोरिंग मशीन भी बोलते हैं इसको, क्योंकि इसमें प्रोग्राम को हम क्या कर सकते थे, स्टोर कर सकते थे. जो टूडेज कंप्यूटर है वो हमारे प्रोग्राम के बेस्ड पे चलते हैं. सो इट इज आवर फर्स्ट प्रोग्रामिंग स्टोरिंग मशीन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज UNIVAC. First, UNIVAC was the first commercial computer produced for the fast calculation of large number of simple arithmetic and data transfer. It was capable to handle both the number and text data. So it is the first commercial computer that we will use in our houses, like office, school, etc. So it is a fast calculation. It can produce a fast calculation. It will be produced for fast calculation of large number of simple arithmetic, data transfer, and it is also capable of handle both numbers and text data. ये हमारा numbers और text data दोनों को handle कर सकता था. So this is the first commercial computers that will be produced for the फर्स्ट कैलकुलेशन ऑफ लार्ज नंबर. इसमें हम लार्ज नंबर की भी कैलकुलेशन जल्दी कर सकते थे. सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ दिस टॉपिक्स. सो your today's homework is you have to do activity, match the following column. You have to given column 1, column 2, and also read first all the previous generations of the computer and complete these activities. This is your today's homework, and you have to also write, you have to write all these evolutions of computer and also learn about these computers generations. So this is your today's homework and it is the end of your lecture. Thank you.